Star-studded, sophisticated, and heartwarming. The GMA Gala 2025 served nothing but unforgettable stunning moments. Elegant in white sina PBB celebrity collab big winner duo Mika Salamanca at Brent Manalo.
It's my first GMA Gala po. Yes po.
It's my second time. Kabado siya before, pero since ngayon may duo na siya para...
Kasama na po ako.
Big winners din ang dalawa na nanalong couple of the night. Glowing as always si star of the new gen Jillian Ward in a powerful red gown. Mala Prince Charming naman si pabansang Ginoo David Licauco in his pink tuxedo, deserving of his GMA Gala Best Dressed Award. Nang matanong kung bakit di sila magkasabay sa blue carpet ng other half ng barda na si P77 star Barbie Fortesa,
I wanted to give her spotlight. Siyempre, with P77, di ba? Kailangan, she deserves that.
talaga namang on the spotlight si Barbie na looking fierce in her red wine tube gown.
We combine sophistication with femininity, softness with sultry, and sophistication with grace.
Serving fierce queen energy rin ang kanyang Beauty Empire co-star na si Kailin Alcantara, who won the Best Dressed Award. Scene stealer naman si Carla Abellana na lalong nagmukhang glowing sa kanyang sunny yellow gown. Another scene stealer si PBB Celebrity Collab third placer Esnir na maladyosa ang atake sa kanyang blue and white outfit. Giving big star vibes naman ang kanyang kaduo na si Charlie Fleming in her orange butterfly-inspired outfit. Kinilala namang big young star of the night si Will Ashley na rumampa kasama ang kanyang mom na si Clarice de Guzman. Big young star of the night din si My Father's Wife actress Winona Collins. Blooming and giving superstar energy si Shuvi Etrata in her white gown and deep red rose-inspired shawl. Looking dapper din ang kanyang kadate, ang kanyang TDH na si Anthony Constantino in his white tuxedo. Hiwalay na rumampa ang dalawa sa blue carpet.
She is my date, of course, but without a doubt, I want to give the carpet to her. She's earned all of that spotlight.
So I want him to, kayanin niya at i-enjoy niyang moment on his own.
Exuding elegance ang Dust Bia duo with Dustin Yu in white tuxedo and Bianca De Vera in nude pink gown. Royalty personified naman si Kapuso Primetime King and Queen Dingdong Dantes at Marian Rivera. Bago rumampa sa blue carpet, nag-shine na ang Dongyan sa Get Ready With Me video kasama ang kanilang mga anak na sina Zia at Sixto. Donning a hand-painted gown and looking like a fine work of art naman ang global fashion icon na si Heart Evangelista, kasama ang asawang si Senate President Cheese Escudero.
Really a work of art. This is what I am passionate about. It's leather sewn together and then it's one of a kind.
Heart stealer naman si Alden Richards sa kanyang dark tuxedo. Hall of Famer na sa GMA Gala Awards si Alden along with Heart, Marian and Dingdong. Simple yet sophisticated ang sanggandikit for real stars na sina Jeneline Mercado at Dennis Trillo. Power couple din ang dating ni Bianca Umali at Ruru Madrid in gold and cream ensemble. Elegant din sina The Clash hosts at kapuso couple na sina Julian San Jose at Raver Cruz. Looking ethereal ang mga past at new gen sangres na sina Kylie Padilla, Faith Da Silva, Sanya Lopez, Kelvin Miranda at Angel Guardian. Bukod sa celebrities, serving dignified looks ang GMA Integrated News personalities.
All throughout the 75 years, yung significant majority ng buhay namin ay na-dedicate namin sa GMA. Kaya we are just extremely happy to celebrate tonight.
Sarap lang sa feeling to be part of the 15 years of that 75. It's no joke to last in a network and that really value loyalty, which is GMA.
Naroon din siyempre ang GMA Network Executive sa pangunguna ni na President and CEO Gilberto Arduavit Jr., Executive Committee Chairman Joel Marcelo G. Jimenez at GMA Senior Vice President Attorney Annette Gozon Valdez. Dumalo rin si dating GMA Network President Menardo Jimenez at Executive Vice President and Chief Financial Officer Felipe S. Yalong.
Thank you for being with us for all these years. And we promise na ipapagpatuloy namin yung paggawa ng mga makabuluhang content and ang pagbibigay ng serbisyong totoo.
To all the men and women of GMA, both in front of and behind the cameras, kayo ang puso ng GMA. Your dedication, creativity, passion, and integrity define what we are. And your collective work and efforts have made GMA what it is today. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat.